Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a wig review. It's been a minute since I did a wig review, so I thought I would come in today and do one for you. This one is an oldie but goodie, but it's still being sold. It's a sensational wig and her name is Taylor. And she looks like this. She's been around for some years. I want to say probably about 5 years or so. I think that's when everybody was starting to get on the natural hair thing, you know, and they started making wigs that had the natural hair texture. Well, anyway, I ended up getting it at that time, but I got it in a color. It was like an ombre 4 or something, whatever. But anyway, I reordered it when Sam's Beauty had a sale a while ago, and I got it in a 1B, and I wanted to try it out. So it's been sitting here for a good year and a half, almost 2 years. So we're gonna try her out. So here we go. I've already cut the lace off, and here it is. Would help if I take the net off. And here's the texture. It's a really sort of coily kind of texture, and it's really pretty. Again, like I said, I had it in a color and I wasn't a fan of it, and I got away from it. And then when I saw it on sale, because I was bored at the time, I said, well, let me try it again. So let me show you what the cap construction's like. It has your standard cap, you know, with the wefts. It has a little flap in the back for it to lay flat. You've got your adjustable straps and a comb. You have combs on the sides here, and you have one right here at the top, and then there is your lace, but it's not really lace that you can part because the tracks are sewn on. This is a lace front edge, I guess you can call it that. So yeah. And let me see, where's the card? It says that it has a perfect fit with delicate baby hair, a natural hairline, and style versatility. So I don't see any pictures of it up or anything, but I'm assuming with that little flap in the back, you can kind of pull it up in an updo. So let me get the straps adjusted. Well, they're where they need to be. But what I'm gonna do, because the lace is this hard lace or whatever, I'm gonna put a little bit of some concealer on it. If I could find like a brush or something. Well, anyway, I'll use one of these little sponges. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of camouflage that a little bit, because I kind of have a feeling that it's gonna look a little wonky. So I'm putting a little concealer on one of these makeup sponges. I don't want to use the applicator on the concealer. So I'm just kind of dab that in, and I'm just gonna put it, you know, y'all have seen this kind of stuff tons of times. I'm just gonna brush it right around that edge, just to kind of give a little color to it. So there we go. Okie dokie. So that is done, and if I need to add some more, I will. Okay, so let's pop her on. And this time, I'm wearing a black wig cap because I'm not parting or anything. And what my intentions are is to pull out just a little bit, put this back, of my hair in the front to sort of camouflage this hairline. If the baby hair thing doesn't work. Okay, so get the combs and everything adjusted. And then I have my hair in a ponytail. I should have had it braided down, but I didn't. Okay, so it is like sitting really nicely on my hairline. It's a little rounded, but it's not bad. So here, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that gleaming forehead. But anyway, there it is on my hairline. So I'm gonna take, let me zoom back out. I'm gonna take I thought I had one of those little baby hair brushes up here. I had bought one for that specific purpose, but again, I don't see it, so I'll use this eyebrow brush So I'm gonna see where that baby hair is, if any. So here we go. Okay, well, I'm seeing a little bit like on the temple area, but not up top. Let's see if I can pull. No. So let me brush a little harder. And like I said, it's been a minute with Taylor, so I kind of forgot the ins and outs of this one, honey. And then I'm doing these kinds of videos like with the synthetic units, because you know, a lot of wigs nowadays on YouTube, they're human hair wigs that have been purchased or sent to people, and they're bundles or wigs that people have made. Nobody's kind of doing the synthetic thing like they used to. And then these are more affordable for people who don't have deep pockets or get freebies. So give me a synthetic unit all day long. Okay, so there is some baby hair, not a lot, unless I'm missing something, but it did say delicate baby hair. At least it's not like that track baby hair that they put on stuff now. I don't know. It's just, this baby hair thing is just ridiculous. Okay, so there we go. So, yeah, not feeling the hairline too much. I'm gonna try to, oops. I'm trying to see if I want to pull some of my hair out. I don't really think I do, because I'm all about keeping my edges. But what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of this gel, my favorite. It's by Lusty. Yeah, Lusty. I get these in Dollar Tree. Very, very good for $1. It's an edge control. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my hair, and then kind of get that going. I think I took out too much, because my hairline grows weird. Kind of comes out. Okay, let's see if we can kind of grab some of the baby hairs with the residual on my finger. But I guess that's it, y'all. Not a whole lot of baby hair. Okay, so here it is. We'll work on this in a minute. Okay, here it is, out straight out the pack. No manipulation at all. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it, and then we'll play with it a little bit. So here's the back. It's a nice, believable length. It's a little bouncy. A little shaboing boingy. I always call these kinds of wigs a little shaboing boingy because they spring back. But anyway, it's my little weird sense of humor. So what I'm gonna do is mist it with water so it won't get frizzy. And that's just a simple trick. So when you have like curly wigs or whatever, just mist them with water. Keeps them from getting frizzy if you don't want to lose some of the detail in the unit. Okay. The water's cold. Okay. Make sure I get the front. Alright. Some tissue. Okie dokie, so here we go. I'm just gonna kind of pull, stretch and pull. I don't want to comb. I'm getting my shirt wet. Hate that. But anyway, I don't want to comb it. Just kind of want to pull it out with my fingers, because I hate when they get ready looking. Wigs like this usually do if you don't take care and being careful. So, oops, got a little tangle. It's really pretty. It's a really nice texture. Making sure I stay in frame. Let me zoom back out. There we go. It's really pretty. But wigs like this, you got to work with them a little bit. Yeah, she's cute. I do like it better in a solid. I did not like the color. I'm gonna add some more water. I need a smaller misting bottle is what I need, but I think my other one is downstairs. Okay. All right. Well, that's good, I think. Just add a little volume to it. It was a little bit flat for me. Okay, so let's see what we're gonna do right here. Since we can't part any, which I'm so used to having a part, I'm gonna kind of do a little makeshift flip over, whatever you want to call it here. I'm trying to be careful. There we go. Because I like parts. Let's see. Maybe I can use this a little better. There we go. So you don't get any parting, hardly, on here. Oops. I don't want any tangles. Oh, there we go. Okay, y'all. So, now let me get more water. There we go. Yeah, I like that a lot better. One to the side. So, hopefully you're seeing what I'm saying. It looks better this way. It's cute though. Just gotta work with it. Like I always say, you know, don't give up on them. If they look a little wonky, you know, take a chance, work with it. Okay, so getting a little snag here. Okay, kind of smooth that out. Okay, so what y'all think now? Like I said, I don't want to comb it. Just want to kind of pull through. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure it's not flat back here in the back. I hate that. Well, it's all styled in the front and then you see people with that packaged look in the back. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, okay. Now I like this. I think it looks a lot better. Y'all tell me what you think about it. Okay. Well, I guess that's it, y'all. Nothing much else to do to it. Okay. So, there we go. This is, again, Miss Taylor. I have her in a 1B. She's from Sensationnel. It's a Empress lace wig, the lace front edge wig. So, there she is on the package. And I want to say this is the color that I had. I'm not sure. But anyway, she's curling iron safe, up to 400 degrees, which nobody's going to do that with this. I doubt it. And I want to make sure she has multiple tabs, I think, because I didn't tell you that. Yep, she does have multiple tabs as well, so check her out. She's not that expensive. I want to say she's in the $20 to $25 range, so she's a good, you know, synthetic unit you can wear every day. It's not too long, nice believable length, and so you can actually pull your hair out in the front if you want to. So yeah, so tell me what you think about Miss Taylor. Leave a comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And until my next video, I'll see y'all then. Bye.